Hi there, Brian from WorkClout. Welcome to another lightning demo. In this video, we're going to walk through how you can create documentation within WorkClout and achieve document control for your SOPs, work instructions, troubleshooting guides, things of that nature, so that you can have a standardized process where you can create, review, distribute, and also dispose of documents in a very systematic way that you can verify in a step-by-step process and have visibility and transparency into. So to start, let's take a look at one of the documents that we have in this account here, troubleshooting an automatic tool change process. Within our documentation on WorkClout, you'll notice that we do have an outline that allows you to have step-by-step documentation with a title, detailed information on the right-hand side, as well as media, which includes video, that includes images. You can also upload files within each document step. As you can see here, every document is broken down into step-by-step process that gives you the opportunity to quickly outline the steps that are required for this specific documentation. So this is an example documentation here. So video is also available within documentation. So to get started with documentation, on the left hand side here, we're just going to go ahead and click into documents. Click into documents here. And then we're going to go ahead and click create documents. One other thing to note that is available through the WorkClout system is the ability to upload any existing documentation for our team internally to translate into a WorkClout documentation for you. So that is always available. When creating a document, there are three document types. You have general document, troubleshooting guide, and work instruction. In this use case, we're going to go ahead and create a new work instruction. We have a document approver, which is the single person that will receive and review all the document changes within the WorkClout system anytime changes and edits are made to a specific document. You can also create and add document tags such as safety, quality, and so forth. You can create new tags which will automatically generate the tag for you to use in future use cases. One other thing that you can do with documentation is house those documents within a specific asset on WorkClout. Assets give you quick access to specific areas within your production floor or specific machines within your production floor that allows you to quickly access documentation related to that specific area or machine or device, or it gives you the ability to quickly log and track issues related to that specific area as well. So one option that you have is being able to associate a document to an existing work center, station area, and so forth. By default, we will create an outline for your document in the default language that is set under your profile. You also have the ability to select and create a document in many other different types of languages. What this will do is anytime a specific user or employee comes on with their own specific preferred language, we will automatically default the documentation to show that preferred language. So by default, because I'm creating this document, John will be the author of that document. I can add specific details to this documentation, and I'm going to call this document PPE checklist guide. This guide is used to ensure that proper So you have document details, title, and description. So we have a first step, and then you have the ability to add as many steps as you need for this specific document. You have the ability to click and drag specific steps as well once it's edited. You have the ability to collapse steps to make it easier to organize your specific documentation, and you can also delete specific documents as well. So you can add a title, description. You can even upload files to documents, as well as images, multiple images and videos to documentation as well. So having these images load, you have the ability to add a caption. This is an image of PPE. How to sanitize the machine. So you can add specific captions that will be available on the specific image that you upload for that step as well, or video. Uploading a file. Quality guide here. You can even add a title to this document. You can also delete document steps. Once you're done filling out your document, editing your document steps, you can publish that document, which will then send a notification to the document approver, at which point they can review that specific document and then approve or deny it. If they do deny it, they have the ability to leave review notes. The other thing that we do with our documentation is we version all documentation, and with every version of documentation we also provide an update for that specific document and a reason why it was updated, so that you can review and check all the different changes that have been made to that specific document over time. And that is how you perform document control and have a systemized document control process within WorkClout.